Alright, what's going on, y'all? I am about to hit a leg day, and it's Sunday. I'm gonna go to church later, but right now I'm gonna show you guys how to make an 1,000-calorie smoothie with a blender and a couple fruits. That's it, bro. It's that easy. Alright, I have here my Ninja blender, and I will show you what I would be putting in it. Alright. Shoots. I don't have a tripod, but like... Alright, hold up. Grab 2 bananas. Then we're gonna grab some Chobani yogurt. I'm gonna grab, I think, probably 2 of these. Okay. Greek yogurt, Chobani, 2 of them. You need like 2 cups to put this into, but you just gotta down it. Low protein. I got this from Aldi. Show you guys what I'm actually using for my protein. Such peanut butter, chocolate, whey protein. It's pretty good. I got it from Aldi, so. And then you add some peanut butter, 2 scoops of this. Alright, and then last item, the 3-berry blend. This one does have 70 calories, and it's pretty good too. It's not 1 cup if it's not filled to the brim. And then your 120 calorie milk. You could put more milk if you want, but I like 1 cup. I get that peanut butter down. Alright guys, that is my 1,000-calorie drink. I will put up all the descriptions, all the calories right here, so you guys won't have to look back and wonder like, oh, was this actually 1,000 calories? It was pretty easy steps. None of those were unhealthy, by the way, but that is my advice for an 1,000-calorie drink. Smoothie, by the way. But I will be drinking this as a pre-workout meal, and then I'm heading to the gym, so I will see you guys over there. Oh shit, we got it down. Okay, I am finally using my camera, guys. Holy, that's actually insane, dude. This thing is sick, bro. What the heck? Bro, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be hitting legs! Woo! I got some skinny ass legs, and pretty much I'm gonna take you through my little leg day workout. But pre-workout meal, my 1,000-calorie drink in here, well, maybe half, and then I'm gonna drink the other half later. Because I only have 1 hour and 30 minutes to work out, so